Go around, walk across the stage.
Model.
Modeling. There you go. Well, that's very good. And why do we make prayer shawls? Michelle?
Because we care about someone and we want them to know we're thinking about them.
Yes.
This one.
Did you hear what Michelle said?
Oh.
Why do we make prayer shawls? Michelle's going to tell you.
Because we care about someone and we want them to know we're thinking about them.
Well, how nice of you.
That's yours.
This is a surprise again.
Never ending.
Yay!
You are all, I gotta say, you people are all the most generous spirited people. My goodness, that's lovely.
And we have fun doing it.
Thank you. And it will encourage me to pray a little more.
Hey, maybe you need to pray for the rest of us.
Yeah.
I'm gonna talk about
Oh,
this.
Get this one here.
You can wear that now in your cool house.
Brett.
I can just wear this out when I go somewhere.
Yes. It goes with your, remember you wore,
Well, that's nice. I'll just give this a little turn down here, girls. You know how we do.
Oh, yeah.
That's beautiful. Thank you.
Beautiful color for Lily.
and your daughter picked